Dear students, I am Sai Deepthi, working as Assistant Professor in B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur from the Department of Information Technology. Today, I am going to discuss about the overview of the subject Web Technologies. So, welcome to our course on Web Technologies. In this program, we'll cover a comprehensive range of topics to provide you with the skills needed for modern web development. So coming to the prerequisites of web technologies, student must have a minimum knowledge on Java. So with this, student will learn how to develop static and dynamic web pages with an emphasis on client-side scripting. So student will also able to learn what is XML and how to process the XML data using Java. Student will able to understand what is server-side programming with Java servlets and also with JSP. Student will able to understand what is PHP, how to develop PHP programs for server-side scripting. Coming to Unit 1, it is Introduction to HTML, that is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language, where student will able to learn the basic tags, the common tags of HTML, where the student will able to develop static web pages using these HTML tags, and also they have to understand, they will learn list, tables, form elements and frames. And coming to CSS, that is nothing but cascading style sheets. So with this, in the first part of Unit 1, they will understand what are common tags. With that, they will develop the static web pages, and if they want to add the color to the web pages, they need to learn the cascading style sheets, the basic introduction to CSS and the types of style sheets. And also if they want to add properties to the sheets, they can go with CSS properties, like they can just add text, background and border, margin, etc. Next is JavaScript. So in this JavaScript, we will cover declaring variables, scope of variables, functions, event handlers like on-click, on-submit buttons, etc. and form validation. Next is Unit 2. So it is all about Introduction to XML. XML is nothing but extensible markup language. So in this, we will discuss how to define XML tags, attributes and their values. Next is document type definition. We'll cover XML schema, document object model, and we also cover how to parse XML data using DOM and SAX parsers in Java. Coming to Unit 3, it is all about Introduction to Servlets. We'll discuss what is life cycle of a servlet, how to deploy a servlet, what are servlet APIs, how to read servlet parameters, how to read initialization parameters, and we also discuss how to handle HTTP requests and responses, and we also discuss using cookies and sessions for session tracking. And finally, we are going to tell them about how to connect database using JDBC, and we also discuss about the Java SQL.star package. Coming to Unit 4, it is all about Introduction to JSP, that is nothing but Java server pages. With the introduction, we'll tell them about the structure of JSP page, that is the anatomy of JSP page. Coming to the topics, we'll discuss about JSP processing, declarations of JSP, directives of JSP, what are the expressions of JSP, code snippets, implicit objects, using cookies and session for session tracking, and how to connect database in JSP. Coming to Unit 5, Introduction to PHP, we'll discuss what are the variables, how to declare variables and the data types, what are arrays, strings of PHP, operators, expressions, control structures, functions, reading data from web controls like text boxes, radio buttons, list, etc. And we also discuss how to handle the file uploads, how to connect to database using MySQL as reference, and we are going to execute simple queries and how to handle results. So as you progress through these units, you will master in client-side scripting and server-side programming. So get ready to start on a transformative journey in web development technologies. Happy Learning, and these are the textbooks to refer. One is Web Technologies by Black Book, other one is by Uttam K. Roy, and this is a PHP complete references. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.